Hey guys, Lawrence here. Going to talk to you today about a mistake that I've made in the past with the Harbor Freight super coupons and a mistake that I've seen other people make. Now, the mistake has to do with these 20% off super coupons or the 25% or even 30% off coupons that you see from time to time. And the gist of what I've done in the past by accident and what I've seen other people do is to assume that the 20% off or 25 or even 30% off is the best possible deal. The truth is it's not always the best deal. And the way to avoid this is to always, for a particular item you want to buy, always check if there's another coupon for it that might be better than the 20, 25, or 30% off. Now, if you're wondering what is the best way to find coupons at Harbor Freight, I'm going to put a link in the description to another video I made on the ways to find the best coupons and get the best possible deals at Harbor Freight. So be sure to check that out too if you're wondering. So I'm just going to give you a couple of quick examples of items that aren't necessarily better off with these percentage off coupons. Now the first one is this automatic flow charger. I've purchased a couple of these and I use them on vehicles that aren't driven that often. And they work great. Thing is, I would never pay $10 for one of these. With a 20% off coupon, it's $8, which is an okay deal. But if you look, right now, this is actually on sale for $5.99. So 20% off for $8 or super coupon for $5.99. This is definitely the better deal. The other item I want to talk to you about is this ammo dry box. I think these things are awesome. I use them for a lot of different things. I made a little toolkit that I store in the trunk of my car and I put the tools in this. It's sturdy. It is pretty small, but I find it to be really useful. $6? No way, that's too much. With a 20% off coupon, you get $1.80 off, so it's about $4.19, which is an okay deal, and I've purchased them for that price before. But if it's on coupon, it's usually $2.99, which is much better than the $4.19. Now, I know the examples that I gave aren't very high dollar, and it's only $1 or $2 here or there. But you know what? That adds up. And this also applies to more expensive items. Like I bought one of those multitask ladders, and it was $140 off, and I used a 20% off coupon. And I got it for whatever, $112. But you'll sometimes see that ladder on sale for $99. That coupon isn't out right now for $99, but that's just an example of something that's a little more expensive. And the savings can really add up over time. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video and I hope it helps you save money, and it's just something to be aware of when you buy stuff there at our favorite store, right? So, all right, happy tool hunting, and if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for a lot of great content coming your way. Have a good one. Bye now.